One day I was going through the orders, and it's not something I normally do, and I saw that there was an order from someone named Marcella Hazan. Marcella wrote some really iconic books on Italian food, and she explained why Italian food is so simple and so incredible. So we became buddies. I wrote her, there's an Italian pop singer named Mina, and we both were in love with her. So we go back and forth. And once we kind of became buddies, I asked her, what's the bean you miss the most from Italy? And she's from Veneto, and I assumed she'd say limone, and she said, no, it's Sorana beans. If you ever grow those, you'll have a customer for life in me. So it took a couple of years, we found the seed, but finally it was about to harvest, and I sent her the early stuff. She didn't get to try it, and then unfortunately she died. So I wrote her husband, Victor, and said, I know she doesn't endorse things. We would like to call this bean Marcella. And he said, oh, she'd get a kick out of it. He gave us his blessing, and then we now sell this bean called Marcella. And it's this beautiful little white bean that is super delicate. It has almost no skin. And if you overcook it, you have pudding. But if you cook it just right, it's these gorgeous orbs, and you put your best olive oil on them and maybe put them on buttered toast. And I'm telling you that it's food, drink, and lodging all in one meal.